What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto. Good morning to each and every one of you guys. I hope you all are having a great week so far. So, without wasting much of your time, I will be diving straight into the chat. As you can see, I'll be talking about Bitcoin. Sorry, I didn't update us yesterday because most of what I analyzed day before yesterday, they are all playing out according to my analysis. So, I felt that was no need for me to repeat myself again. So, without wasting much of our time, like I always say, let us start from the weekly chart, or let's just start from the monthly chart so we can see what the market is talking about right here. We could see it clearly right here that we have this area of support here from this trend line. You could see. Let me cancel this and maybe change this color to yellow so we know the levels at I'm talking about. This should be orange. So we could see there are two major trend lines right here. Now, what we definitely need to have in mind is the fact that the market is kind of in a consolidation phase right now, and this is definitely what we need to realize that long term we could see right here that we've been following this trend line for a while. Whenever I come in contact with this level, we bounce. So the last time we came all the way down to roughly $16,000 was the last time we came in contact with this yellow trend line right here, which has been acting as a support. So if we are to drop even lower, there's a possibility that we're most likely going to see Bitcoin probably dropping all the way down to $29,000, worst case scenario, before we rally higher. So this is a possibility. This is most likely a possibility, guys. This should not be overlooked. So apart from this, we also have this other orange trend line right here. As you can see, this is also a trend line. So you could see that this trend line is also serving us a very great purpose, in the sense that we have tested this level all the way from 16,000. We tested it around here at 26, and ever since we've been rallying. So right now is a good time to retest this level at $56,000. If we can find support around that level, then rally much higher, then I can say we are most likely going to keep on rallying higher. But the moment we break below this orange trend line right here, guys, then I would say that it seems to be like it's high time we are dumping all the way into probably 25, or between $30,000 to $25,000. So yep, I think that is definitely what we need to understand right here. So you could see things from the bigger picture right here, from the monthly time frame right here. Now, if we should dive into the daily time frame, we could see it clearly that first things foremost, from the weekly, we are just breaking below the 100 weekly moving average, which is this red ribbon line you are seeing right here. So we are just breaking below that. But what we should definitely have at the back of our mind is the fact that we are most likely going to, if this bearish move continues, we are most likely going to probably retest this level right here and end up dropping all the way down to 58,000, or even all the way down to $56,000. Now, from the other chart right here, we could also see that most importantly, Bitcoin has couldn't break above this resistance right here, which is this 71,000 level. Bitcoin couldn't break above that, and you could see us getting rejected from that level. We are most likely going to find support around here at $64,785. Maybe once we're able to find support around here, we are most likely going to bounce back from here, rally much higher into this major resistance right here, because you could see we're at a very serious downtrend right here. So maybe until we break above that downtrend, I can say that okay, maybe we are ready to rally. So we should definitely have something in mind. We are most likely going to be dropping all the way down to 64,800. Where we should be more worried about is if we break below the 64,800, we are most likely going to be retesting, and we're most likely going to be dropping all the way down to $57,000. So I think this is definitely all we need to know for Bitcoin. In terms of gold, we could see right here that gold is doing very well, though it is at this major resistance right here at $5,082. So it seems like it's almost getting rejected from that level, from the daily candle right here. As you can see, it's most likely getting rejected from there. It might most likely drop down to probably 4,796 or all the way down to 4,734 until we get a major breakout, either to the downside or we get a breakout to this level up, breaking above this resistance right here at 5,082 to $84. So for the S&P 500, we would see it's still consolidating very well, but the fact that it's consolidating doesn't change the fact that it's not stable. It's stable, it's consolidating, it's not bearish. We can't say the S&P 500 is bearish. We can just say that the S&P 500 has been stable. So I think this is definitely all I have to say for now. If anything happens to change, I'll definitely be here to keep us updated on that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.